In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find liked posts on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and the first off, we need to open up Instagram app. Once it is done, tap right here at your profile picture to go to your Instagram profile. After that, tap right here at these three lines. Then you will be taken to settings and activity, and that's where you can easily find your activity. Just tap on it. After that, select likes, and then you will be taken to the page where you can easily find all the content you have ever liked on Instagram, including posts and reels. If you would like to filter that content just by posts, tap right here at all content types, hit clear, then select posts, and then hit apply. That's how we can easily find all our liked posts on Instagram. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.